Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw numbers. First we use black color. The next one is blue color. And now we use green color. Kids, the next one is yellow color. And the last one is red color. Today we draw numbers. First we draw the number of 1 and now we use black color. Kids, now we draw 1. O-N-E, 1. The next one is 2. T-W-O, 2. Now we draw 3. T-H-R-E-E. The next one is 4. F-O-U-R, 4. We again use black color and now we draw 5. Kids, the next one is 6. Now we draw the number of 6. The next one is 7. Now we draw 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Now we use blue color and draw 9. Blue color. Kids, now we draw the number of 9. The next one is 10. T-E-N, 10. And now we draw 11. The next one is 12. Now we draw 12. Today we draw numbers 1 to 12. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.